everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an update on my project pan for you guys. This is my third update, I believe, and I actually used up a product. I am so happy about it. I used up my Clinique Quick Liner for your eyes Intense in number 9 Intense Ebony. Now, when I ended up, there's nothing left. It's clicks and there's nothing coming up. There's nothing in there. I was a little disappointed in this product because when I did use it up, I took it with me on a trip and I didn't bring another eyeliner with me because I was trying to be minimal, and it kind of sucks about this particular product is that you can't roll it up and then roll it back down, so you really never know how much is left. And near the end, this started kind of breaking off a lot, even though I didn't have it rolled up much at all. It started drying out or something, I think, because it started chunking off quite often when I would be using it, and it's not like I was pressing really hard or anything like that. And I was doing my eyes and I had just finished this eye and a chunk came off, and I had to throw away that chunk, and then I went to roll it up and there was nothing left. So I had one eye with eyeliner and the other without. I made it work, but it was kind of annoying because, like I said, I had brought it with me on a trip and it's all that I brought. So I don't really like the packaging on this. I think it sucks. I hate it. I won't be purchasing it mainly for that reason. And it was kind of odd at the end that it kept chunking off and breaking quite often. But I am so happy I used up one of my items. I'm going to replace it with another eyeliner. This one I just opened recently, so I really haven't been using it much. So it's basically brand new and full amount in here. So this is by Burt's Bees, and this is their Nourishing Eyeliner in 1405 Soft Black. So that'll be the eyeliner that I'm introducing in place of the Clinique one that I just used up. I've been continually using my Brow Power by It Cosmetics. I'm not sure if there's much of a difference between the last updates. Two lip products, which again I feel like don't have any progress shown. This one did get shaken up a little bit, so it is a little bit more crooked than normal inside, so I really can't tell at all on this one, but I did bring it with me for travel, so that's why it just hasn't been staying flat to kind of even out in it. So I'm not really sure if there's any progress on this. There probably isn't, but I have been using it. Oh, this is the Ulta Hydra Shine Lip Gel. I haven't been pulling for this one as much. I've been reaching for the other lip product more. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream in Tender, and there is no progress visible in this one either. The Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer, and I have been using this one pretty consistently. I really haven't made much progress at all with this one. Like, don't think I could even mark another marking on this, but I have been using this as much as I can remember to when I'm using eyeshadow. The Aziza II Blush and Highlight Duo. I have been using this. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. The highlight, I feel like maybe has a little bit more indentation in it. You can see kind of on the sides that it has more of a slant, especially in this corner over here. The blush, I really can't see too much of a difference in. Maybe actually a little bit in the corner over on this side. I can see a little bit of a slant on the side of the pan. But yeah, so I have been continually using these two. I have been using this here and there, that It Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination. I don't think there's a whole lot of progress here either that's visible anyway. Like I said, I've just been reaching for it a handful of times. It's still pretty cold, so it hasn't warmed up yet. So that's why I don't think I've been making too much progress on this. I'm sure I will once it starts warming up. And for the eyeshadows, I really haven't been reaching for these that often at all. The Jane Hip Balm eyeshadow, I may have made a slight bigger pan. I don't really think I have though. I feel like I've only reached for this maybe once or twice this month, past month. And then the Ulta shadows, I did cross some off but I didn't use it as much as I had used the blue one, so I'm still not sure about it. So I'm going to keep it in the project for now until I really experiment more with it. But I did X out 4 of these that I don't like. So I X'd out Zephyr, I can't even pronounce that. I X'd out Love, I X'd out Eris, I X'd out Plum Noir. Yeah, so I still want to work on this and try and see what I can do with it, but I feel like right now I want to keep it in the project and really test it out some more. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you that I did X some things out, but I'm not ready to really make an opinion on it. That's my updates of my project pan. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you are trying to use up any of your products, let me know down below. I'm always interested to know. I love watching these videos. Also, if you've tried any of these products, let me know what your thoughts are on them. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.